Yo, what's going on? Crypto Richie here hanging out. Question, let me know if you guys are getting into this. Not for noobs and plebs. I discovered it while browsing around Twitter a day ago. And I don't know. You know, it's a degen play. Let me know if you're getting it. Comment down below. Twitter, 7,300 followers. They've been pretty active in the past couple of hours here. A lot of guys starting to get them. Let's take a look here. Again, copying Goblin Town. Twitter only, contract only, free mint, and 6666 supply. Now they're starting to release some sort of storyline. 232 likes, not bad. 96 retweets. Our friends at Small Age NFT have granted passage through their magic ecosystem to 50 of our surfers. In order to be granted passage, tag 2 soldiers post. So they're trying to get the little viral thing going on. There's something going on today at 5 p.m. The journey. So, you know, it could be something. I see, you know, people picking them up. Imagine getting on Forgotten Runes on day 1 or day 2 a year ago. That's how NotforNoobsandPlebs feels right now. That's this project here, not for newbies. Should be big news tonight. Follow along. So let me know if you guys are getting this. Currently, it's number 72 on OpenSea. Not pumping that well, but I got in at 0.016, give or take. I think I got 2 of them. Here is the activity. Floor price is 0.12, so it's a little below than what I got it at 15 minutes ago, 27, 30, 31 minutes ago, 35 an hour ago. Top 1% sold for 0.05, which is cheap as hell. So basically you can get these, you know, I think I paid like $30 or so, give or take. Again, do your own diligence with these. A lot of these are pump and dumps. The key is to get in early and get out early. So let me know, are you bullish on these things? Did you get any? Comment down below. Let me know. Am I the only one? But if you like these kind of videos, subscribe. We do all types of videos like this on some degen plays, as well as hardcore good projects. You know, I got Moonbirds. We were in MeBits. I started buying and selling the OG CryptoPunks last year. Made a lot of ETH off of that. But yeah, comment below. Let me know what you think. And also, if you're a total newbie getting into NFTs and you want to learn how to make 10, 15, 20 ETH per month profit flipping NFTs, go ahead and go to cryptowaters.com by the link down below. Click the link down below or in the card at the top right here. Sign up to my free newsletter, and we can show you how to make some stack your ETH is what I like to say, you know, because basically we don't really worry about the price of Ethereum unless you are basically getting into the game and you need to buy ETH. Right now is the best time. We're looking at $1,200 Ethereum, give or take. If we go to coingecko.com, we check the price of Ethereum, $1,189. You know, we could dump down to $500, $600, $700, $800 during a bear market. I think it did touch $8 a week ago, but then that was just for an instant, and then it got back up to 1,000. You know, they're saying Bitcoin could hit 10K, 10, 11, 12K. If it does, I think we will see 500, 600, 700 Ethereum. Be a great time to dollar cost average into it, because the game is to stack Ethereum, right? You want to stack up your Ethereum, because when it hits its all-time high, which is around $4,600, it's going to pass it. You know, and imagine making, you know, 5, 10, 15 ETH per month flipping NFTs, just with NFTs. You're going to be doing very, very well. So it's Crypto Richie here hanging out with you today. Let me know if you're jumping into this fun little project here. You never know. These things can pump overnight. I've seen it many, many times. And when they do, that's when you sell. That's when you dump. Okay? Anyway, it's Tony here. Comment down below. Let me know what you're doing with these. I just got a couple of them just playing around. I got 2 of them just playing around. And yeah, let me know what you're doing. Peace out. Crypto Richie here hanging out. Click the link down below, sign up to my newsletter at Crypto Waters, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace.